Hello guys, today we will discuss about with the sort recipe. So if I select with this orders option, orders data set, look into the data, orders date, pages visited, order ID, customer ID, t-shirt category, t-shirt price, t-shirt quantity. For example, this one, t-shirt price, if I want to sort this, by default, it will show as sorting. So it will come as ascending only. There is no descending. Okay. So I will remove the sort. Now we'll go back to flow. In the flow, now I want to select with the orders dataset and click on the recipe right side, sort recipe. So here sort recipe is there. So once you select with the sort recipe, click on create recipe. So here by default, no sort column is yet. So we had to select with the column on which basis of column we had to sort the rows as defined by your order. For example, my assumption is so I want to sort with t-shirt category and t-shirt price. So based on the t-shirt category and price, we will assign with the rank, dense rank and row number also. So here in the option, the three additional columns also will create. In addition, compute for each row. So row number, rank and dense rank. So here in t-shirt category, by default, it is showing as the ascending. If you want to descending, you can click on descending. T-shirt price also descending. So category wise descending always alphabetical order. So based on, so that is not a criteria. So we'll give as ascending, and t-shirt price we will give as the descending. So t-shirt category and price. Okay. So three columns we selected. So these options only in the sort option. Once we run the recipe, then we will see the number of columns we created. Yeah, so extra columns are row number, rank, and dense rank. So job is running. Please wait. Job succeeded. Go back to flow. Open the sorting. If I open this output data set, see. So t-shirt price is ascending order showing, and t-shirt category also ascending order showing, but we selected as descending, right? I think descending only, I remember. Just check with the, yes, descending only. Okay, according to the rank is showing as this one, maybe. Okay, so here t-shirt categories, so B, first letter B is showing, and this one. If you observe with the t-shirt row number, rank and dense rank. So rank is showing you with based on this price. So row number, you know, so the sequence number, unique number is to be giving rank. If you see the rank 11111. So if the number is to be same, the rank will give a same number. Dense rank also showing the 1. So what is the difference of rank and dense rank is, so rank will skip the number. For example, this how many number of rows is there, that many number of rows is skipping the number. But rank, dense rank will give us next one series sequence number will give 2. Move to the below, some number will identify. Yeah. So if you see here, so 1. After then, the other category B, t-shirt F is the ending. Next to t-shirt M. So here the rank is given as 258 and dense rank is given as 2. Okay. So this is the difference of rank, dense rank and sorting. So this is the option called as the sort. Thank you for watching.